I just started recording this meeting just so if we need to send this to the database person who can help out, she'll see it if that's okay.
Yep.
So you're, just for her, you're importing, so you can describe what's happening.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm importing from the old database into the version 5 of it. Okay, so it says done. I now have the new version open. I get student lists.
Yeah.
But if I open them, I don't get it. And I'm also noticing the student ID is not there, but I don't get any of their information here. And then under programs and staff, there's nothing. If I open the old database, all of that stuff should be there.
Right. Can you click into the detail, hit student again?
Yeah, you can see.
So there's stuff in there. There is no student ID, I see, but there was other data, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just show the programs? Right, so school year. Can you just go to main menu for a second? I just wanted to see what version this was. Version, it's not in there. Can you go to scripts, admin, about? I want to see what the version is, or wherever it is. Fall 2003. I'm confused about what I'm seeing here. I'm expecting to see more cogent writing, so that's a, wonder what that's about.
Does that help? I expanded the window.
Yeah, okay. And did you shut down and tried everything over again? So you've done this multiple times, right?
Yeah, I after I tried it a few times, and then I restarted the machine, grabbed a fresh copy of the old database, and downloaded it from the web page again, the version 5 of the database.
And have you had luck? Have you?
I've tried. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I tried it on several different computers with different databases, not just the same one, because we have 4 schools, so they each have a different database. And I tried it with 3 of them, and I had the same problem with each. And those are on different computers that I tried it on.
Have you had
all of which I upgraded the file maker this morning.
Have you had a successful upgrade?
No.
Has anyone with this new version?
Not in this district.
Right, because others have.
I'm trying to do all of them right now.
I understand. Okay. Are you on a server?
No.
All right, so
what do you mean by that exactly? I'm sorry.
If the home databases were located on a server as opposed to individual laptops, you would need to be using the server software.
They're located on the individual laptops, and then they are synced with another laptop using Google Drive. But the one we just tried is just located on right here is just located on the desktop of this one machine. It's
right.
Located on us.
It's not syncing, so that would have been an issue certainly, because I'm guessing, but
yeah.
I haven't heard. So you're having something funny, and the only
are we definitely up? Is it obvious to you that we are upgrading from the version 4 and not an older version?
No,
because I am not entirely sure that that's the case. And I was not the one who did this previously, so I don't know what was done previously.
Yeah, open up the old one. That was, it should be saying version 4 or version 4.2D is what I would have liked to have seen, because that would have been what, that's been the one in use for a number of years, and so that, I think I wonder if they're operating on, I don't know what they're operating, because it says version, which is, thinking how else I could see. But
Yeah.
Just let me look, see what you have here. Attendance.
You're going to take over?
No, I was just, it's, maybe because it's on you're on a Mac, yeah, right? Are you on a Mac?
No, PC. What? This is a Windows 7 machine.
Yeah. Have there been any reports of any problems working in this database? The old one that says version here?
No, not that I'm aware of. I mean, I think some people have had some Google issues, but nothing specific with this database.
All right, I mean, I don't know what to do, but what I have a recording, and the next step, because is to send this to our database person and see what she can work out.
Okay.
So I'm going to stop the recording. Is there anything else you can think of we should say?
Just this one other thing. In the web page with the download for the new version, the new database version, and the video, at the bottom it has that import options information about the key value.
Yeah.
I never get that screen.
Right.
So it says the second dialog box. I never see a second dialog box.
That makes sense. Let's do one thing. Go to scripts. This is your old.
This is the old one. Should I open?
Yep.
Should I open up the new one?
Nope. The old one.
Okay.
Go to related tables, and then attendance table view. Can you go to the right-hand column? So there's that Z flag. I'm just looking for, did you check this out? To scroll on that Z flag right column. Just scroll through.
Where is it?
It's open. You can see it says Z flag old name. Yeah, just go through it. See if that's what I was referring to. Sometimes that there's red in there and it tells you there's a problem, and that would say something, but I don't see that either. So I'm out of ideas. Sorry about that. But we have we'll try this other method.
Okay. I have a feeling it's possible that we're not using the version 4, that we're using an older version than that.
That's what I think you have. But so did I'm thinking.
This, and I see this is it said 2013, which is that old, but I don't know.
It is. No, that would be accurate, and you have the latest.
Oh, it would be. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, I have a copy of that version I could send you. I don't know if I don't want to send you on a bird walk. Just I think the best thing is just time-wise to ask the database person.
Okay, that's fine with me. I mean, we are fully functional now. We have the new FileMaker version, but all the coordinators can still access the old database and just continue using that. So.
Right. Okay. Well, we'll try to get that, because the next federal reporting is June 30th, so we do have some time. But let's hope we can solve it. Okay. All right. Put you in contact with, I'm going to send this file to the today to the database person, and she can look at it, and I'll
Okay.
send an email, and she'll probably get in touch with you soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Sorry about this problem. I'd be interested to find out what it is.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yep.
Bye.
Yep. Bye.